Um, Good afternoon. My name is Sam Kandala and I'm from GE Healthcare. I lead the therapy guidance segment. Today we are going to talk a little bit about this IHI call topic on theranostics, specifically focusing on enabling broader access to theranostics solutions in Europe. GE contact point is Krisztian Horvath, and his contact details are enclosed below. So, as part of this IHI project, the challenges that we are looking to solve is, as I mentioned earlier, around the broader access to this care pathway. Overall, if you look at the Europe landscape, the cancer burden has been increasing, and it's a lot of cost pressure to provide right treatments as well. The theranostics care pathway shows good promise when it comes to the prostate care pathway and the recent approval of the lutetium 177 treatment. But the issue is the access to this treatment. Not everybody who is eligible can get access to this treatment today. The third area is about how do we actually produce this kind of a therapeutics with less waste and efficient production processes, as well as making sure the drugs are available in time. And last but not least, there is still a lot of workflows optimization need to happen in the nuclear medicine department, looking at whether the imaging tools or the software tools are used for calculating the doses. So these are, I would say, the four main challenges our team is looking at as part of solving through this IHI proposal. The main activities our team is looking at as part of this program is to look at novel theranostics pairs for different cancer indications such as melanoma, breast cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Obviously, the prostate is well matured stage, but we want to look outside the prostate into these new care pathways with new theranostic pairs. And then so try to look at the new production processes in terms of not only minimizing the radioactive waste but also ensuring the supply is adequate. Then working with regulatory bodies as well as creating marketing environments to the point mentioned above in terms of providing the right access to the right patients at the right time. The dosimetry is a key area, and a lot of discussion is happening across the globe and specifically in the Europe in terms of personalized dosimetry, who to give the what amount of doses. So one of the work streams will be focusing around providing tools related to the dosimetry and potentially leveraging the registries and AI and the deep learning models and so on. And this is a very new care pathway, and there's a lot of education is needed for the patients as well as training with the clinical guidelines. So one of the work streams of this program will also be focused on educating the patients and developing programs around that. Last but not the least, there's a lot of clinical trial optimization is needed to successfully navigate the theranostic space through the approval processes. So we will be also looking at developing a platform for optimizing the overall clinical trial process. Overall, all these six focus areas are geared towards improving the availability of effective theranostic treatments for patients in Europe. And what the current team has already assembled, we have three major clinical partners and industry partners, and we are defining each of these work streams and adding a lot of detail. An external project management and subject matter expertise is already engaged, who are very proficient in writing the grants and defining the work packages as well. And already there is a lot of extensive in-kind contribution available. I mean, of course, GE being an imaging and software solutions provider, we bring a lot of that expertise and infrastructure to the table, as well as our partners are bringing some manufacturing centers, AI expertise, and so on. The total budget expected from this proposal is around 25 million euros, with a 50% from the grant and 50% from in-kind contribution from the partners. And what we are requesting as part of this matchmaking event or the forum here is we are looking for external partners who are clinically and academically inclined with theranostics infrastructure and expertise. And then we are looking for a pharma and biotech companies as well who are geared towards developing targeted theranostics compounds. And last but not least, we would also need support from regulatory body partner who could guide us through some of the optimization programs that we have in the list around clinical trial optimization or overall optimization of the workflows. We are really excited to be presenting in this forum, and we look forward to connecting with parties who are interested to partner with GE and other partners as part of this significant initiative. Thank you.